Think about this. What happens when a man and a woman in a classic family and relationship get into their midlife paradigm shift together? Well, if they are unaware and don't talk about it or do anything about it, they probably end up going in two different directions and basically split, whether they divorce or stay together, miserable married. Just go back and watch the last 5 videos. They are both making a 360-degree turnaround in different directions. Let me know if it is not obvious, then I will make a video about it. The two most important and common things that actually can bring them together is, first off, they both start to get an interest in who they are. That is self-realization and self-actualization. Secondly, one of the lowest values of the hierarchy is spirituality. Spirituality suddenly becomes the top priority for both men and women. That is luckily also becoming a more popular topic in society. But since they're not used to talk about spirituality and they have no real paradigm for it, it's also difficult for them to talk about it. It becomes easier and more safe just to neglect it, says the paradigm, which wants us to stay in the comfort zone. Here, coaching and couple coaching really comes in handy. And whatever kind of coaching you choose, good coaching should always encompass presence, body, mind, and connectedness. That is, relatedness and spirituality. If you go in that direction with your partner, the possibilities and benefits are enormous. The relationship is a highway for spiritual and personal development. So don't hesitate to call me for a free discovery call if you're stuck in some of this. Get more insights at the end of the video. Here follows a short explanation on paradigms, a free coaching exercise, and a gift. The distance between where you are and where you want to be is only one decision away. Manifestation is all about mindset. So if you don't succeed with radical or permanent change, it's because of the paradigm. For most of the time, it runs your life and results. To get change, you gotta shift your paradigm. And to get unstuck, you gotta master your mind. That's my purpose, to help you and your business with that. We don't have a second to waste. You're paying poor life with life, so here's a free exercise and a gift. Most couples have no impressive paradigm for talking together. So the best thing would simply be not to do that. But then you will get nowhere. So instead, I suggest 2 other things. First, sit down once a day for 10 minutes and talk together in this way. Simply set a timer for 2 times 5 minutes. Talk uninterrupted about whatever is on your mind and listen to your partner without being active. The second thing is to start to study yourself and spirituality on a daily basis, just half an hour. And just once a day, simply share with your partner one thing you learned about yourself. We of course have wonderful programs for all of that, but start there. Post it in the chat. I really want to hear about it and stay connected. Thanks for all your likes, comments, sharing, and subscription. It helps me to help more. And contact us for that free talk. They really help many people's lives to change overnight, and they cost you nothing. Just tell us what you want and we will show you how to get it. We simply have the system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system. And I would love for you to have that system and work in harmony with the laws of the universe. Learn to think beyond your mental paradigm and change your mindset. If you do that and connect to your higher side, everything becomes possible. If you want to know how, then just call me now. My name is Kasper Larsen, and I'm here to help you get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. Now, I wish you a really beautiful day, presence, peace, and prosperity. And remember, be the energy of your wish fulfilled. You might as well create a reality you want and manifest the good that you desire. Keep up the good work.